Imagine a vehicle that challenges the very definition of a conventional pickup truck. A vehicle that looks like it's been driven straight out of a sci-fi movie. Welcome to the world of the Tesla Cybertruck, a creation that is as audacious as it is innovative. This marvel of the automotive world doesn't just turn heads with its futuristic design. The Cybertruck is a powerhouse, a testament to Tesla's commitment to creating vehicles that break the mold and redefine expectations. It's a pickup truck that doesn't just carry loads, it carries the weight of the future on its robust stainless steel shoulders. At the heart of the Cybertruck is an electric powertrain that can deliver an impressive range of over 500 miles on a single charge. Yes, you heard it right. The tri-motor all-wheel drive version of the Cybertruck promises a range that surpasses many traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. With 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2.5 seconds, the Cybertruck isn't just fast for a truck, it's fast, period. And what about carrying capacity, you ask? After all, it's a pickup truck. Well, the Cybertruck doesn't disappoint. Oh, with a payload capacity of over 3,500 pounds and towing capacity of more than 14,000 pounds, the Cybertruck is ready to take on the toughest tasks. But it doesn't stop there. The Cybertruck comes with a versatile 6.5-foot bed, also known as the vault, that is covered, lockable, and comes with a built-in ramp for loading. The Cybertruck is more than just an electric powerhouse. It's also a technological tour de force. The interior features a minimalist 17-inch touchscreen that controls most of the truck's functions. Autopilot, Tesla's advanced driver assistance system, comes standard. To sum up, the Tesla Cybertruck is a bold, audacious vehicle that looks and feels like the future. It offers incredible electric range, impressive speed, and the kind of carrying and towing capacity that makes it a true pickup truck. It's a vehicle that defies conventions and challenges perceptions. It's not just a truck, it's a Tesla. But remember, as with any vehicle, the Cybertruck isn't perfect. Its bold design isn't for everyone, and its size can make it challenging to maneuver in tight spaces. And while Tesla's build quality has improved over the years, there are still occasional concerns reported with new models. So, there you have it, the Tesla Cybertruck. A vehicle that doesn't just promise to change the way we think about pickup trucks, but the way we think about cars. It's a glimpse of the future, today. It's proof that sometimes, to move forward, you have to break the mold. Because the future isn't always about doing things the way they've always been done. Sometimes, the future is about daring to imagine a world that is different, a world that is better, a world that is truly electrifying.